Hi, I'm Jen from Acadian Accounting Education, and today we are going to practice creating an estimate. So if you would like to grab a copy of the exercise, be sure to click on the link in the description, and let's get started. All right, let's go ahead and create the estimate. Now, this exercise is being pulled from our Level 1 ProAdvisor certification course, which if you would like more information about that course after we go through the exercise, be sure to click on the link in the description. Let's dive in and read through today's scenario. Gavelber Photography is considering installing an outdoor background for their photography sessions. They would like an estimate for 10 hours of design work plus one rock fountain, one pump, and installation, which you anticipate will take about 3 hours. How would you set this up? Let's find out. Now, you'll need to be in the sample company to do this exercise. If you are not sure how to get into the sample company or get your own free QBOA account, be sure to click on the link in the description. I have the sample company here on the left side of my screen. Once you sign in, this is what it's going to look like. This is the dashboard. So let's go ahead and get started. To create that estimate, the first thing we need to do is click on the plus new button and then select estimate. So the plus new button is on the top left corner of the screen. Click on that. And then under customers, you will see estimate. Go ahead and select that. Now note that you can also create an estimate by selecting create estimate from the estimates section of the sales center. Let's go ahead and complete the estimate using the information from the scenario. So if you remember, the customer was Gavelber Photography. So go ahead and select their name. Their information is going to populate for us. Let's go ahead and leave that as is, as well as the estimate date. It's going to default to today. Of course, in real life, you want to make sure that it's the date. The date is matching when you're actually doing the estimate. So the first thing that we need to put in here is design work. So click into that product service field, click the down arrow and select design. Remember that it was for 10 hours of design work. So in the quantity field, go ahead and update that to 10. If you hit the tab key, you will see that it has been calculated and updated here. They also have a rock fountain, so click the down arrow on that second line, scroll down a little bit, and you'll see rock fountain. Go ahead and select that. And then we also have a pump. So on the third line in the product service field, click into it, click the down arrow, and then select pump. Those have information that's pre-populated, and we're going to leave that as is. And then finally, we need to add the 3 hours of installation. So click into that fourth line in the product service field, click the down arrow, scroll down a little bit until you find installation. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then that quantity field, we need to update it once again, this time for 3 hours of work. If you hit the tab key, you will see that QBO is making that calculation and your total for the estimate is $1,190. So now we just want to go ahead and click on Save and Close. Click the down arrow, select Save and Close. And there you go. You have now created an estimate, which you can see right there. Now, if you like this exercise and you want to do more like it, or you would like more information about that Level 1 ProAdvisor certification course, be sure to click on the link in the description, and I will see you next time.